This is how everyday materials are transformed into the products we use.
This machine weighs over 180 tons, and it builds something smaller than your fingernail, a modern microchip. Inside this tiny square are more than 50 billion microscopic switches, known as transistors. They turn electrical signals on and off, billions of times per second, performing calculations that power nearly every digital system on Earth. From smartphones and vehicles to satellites and artificial intelligence, modern life runs on these invisible components. But the structures inside today's most advanced chips are unbelievably small. A human hair is about 70 microns thick. The circuits inside advanced processors measure just 3 to 5 nanometers wide, nearly 20,000 times thinner than a strand of hair. At this scale, even dust becomes a serious threat. A single particle can block or destroy an entire circuit pathway. That's why microchips are built inside ultra-clean environments called clean rooms. The air inside these facilities can be up to 1,000 times cleaner than a hospital operating room. Engineers wear full-body protective suits, not to protect themselves, but to protect the chip, because humans constantly shed microscopic particles. Air flows continuously from ceiling to floor, and high-efficiency filtration systems remove 99.97% of airborne contaminants. The process begins with silicon, extracted from sand. The material is refined to 99.9 million, 99% purity, often called 9 nines purity. Manufacturers then grow a single flawless silicon crystal from molten material. That crystal is sliced into thin circular discs known as wafers. Each wafer is polished until its surface is nearly perfect. Next, the wafer enters one of the most advanced machines ever built, the lithography system. Some of these machines cost more than $200 million each. They use extreme ultraviolet light to project microscopic circuit patterns onto the wafer. These patterns define where billions of transistors will be formed. Thin layers of material are added to the wafer's surface. Excess material is removed through a precise chemical process known as etching. This sequence is repeated hundreds of times. A single advanced chip can go through more than 1,000 carefully controlled processing steps. Every wafer is inspected and electrically tested before being cut into individual chips. After weeks of fabrication, each finished chip is packaged and prepared to power the modern world. From data centers to self-driving cars, from medical systems to space technology, all of it begins here, inside one of the cleanest and most precise factories ever built. Because in today's world, the smallest components carry the greatest power.
If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.